In this country today, children as young as 5 are being diagnosed with attention deficit disorder-like symptoms, even though they don't have ADD. Why? Because psychologists tell us they're spending too much time on screens and not enough looking at people. Who's going to solve that problem? The UK has 19 severely unaffordable cities in terms of housing, according to a major international survey. Who's going to solve the problem of housing in the UK? The UK has a deficit of sheltered accommodation for elderly people to the tune of 17,000 homes. And that number could double in the next 5 years. Who's going to solve the problem of sheltered housing for the elderly? 8% of the world owns 82% of its wealth. Who's going to solve the problem of the gap between the haves and the have-nots? Maybe it's you.